Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect the wire internet into your MXQ Pro Android TV box. Okay, first of all you need to have the internet cable like the one I hold in my hand that can connect from your router into your TV box. So most of the router it have the internet plug in like this. So you just plug your cable into your router and then input another side into your TV box. So you will find one connector on the back or on the top of the TV box. So I will try to connect it. Okay, after you connect the internet cable into the TV box, now just go to the setting here and then select your network, and after that just go down until you can see the word it said Ethernet, and now it's connected. So you no need to have any setup, just plug the internet cable into your TV box and it will automatically receive the signal. And that's all for today's video of how you can connect the internet cable into your MXQ Pro Android TV box. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.